Customer came, said he cannot hear anything on his phone when you play something, so you can barely hear. It's all the way at the loudest. But look at this. Can you tell why he's not hearing? Because everything is clogged in with the dirt. So we're gonna clean this and try to make it work for him. Let's go. Look at all this dirt. How are you gonna hear it? Look at that. Now let's clean the holes. Even you got some on his home button. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's clean. Let's play the song. Look at that. How loud is this? Look at this. That's it. That's how you do it.